How to fix a Dyson red light problem? Dyson battery. So this has a problem, like if you press the button, it's a 32 red flash. So I will go over all the procedure to make it blue flash and works okay. First you need to remove the screw, the star screw. It needs like a special screwdriver. You see the star here, the star screwdriver. You need this star. I'm sure if you can see. Yeah, let me turn on the light. This is small star screw. Now this is the difficult part. You need to take it apart. I don't care about the perfection. It may have some injury, but it's okay. And another point here, the other side. You see, there's a gap. And also here, this point, here and here, 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 here. And this flash will be 32 red flash. And one more screw to remove here. You see in the circuit board there is a screw. You have to remove this one. So now let me see the battery cells. Its cells. So usually red flash occurs due to some faulty in the batteries, or maybe the batteries are imbalanced. So the first thing you need to check the batteries. You need to check the its cells. What voltage it has. Let's see. I think you can see me here. Okay. 3.64. Then this one 4.02. This one 3.63. Fourth one is 3.62. Fifth one is 3.6. No, fifth one and sixth one is 3.6. So only cell has second battery is like 4.02. So now you have to do like, you have to balance the cells. You need to have a balance charger. So I will balance all the cells. I will charge it. Then I have to do some coding, like to remove this part here, and I'm gonna use Kit 3 to code it, like to restart the battery. I'll show you later. Let's do the balance charge. So for this you need to have like balance charger. So I bought this from Facebook Marketplace. It's not like, it's like in AliExpress you can get it around 30-35 bucks maybe, or around 40 bucks. So this is the balance charger. I found like good review this one, but my intention not to promote this manufacturer or the seller. I just bought it from another person from marketplace. So, and you need to have this charging port cable, and you need to have these cables. I actually salvaged these cables from printer, from my old printer which is not working. Then I salvaged all these cables, and also I salvaged you need to have these cables also. I'll show you to put it here. So I also salvaged from one of the printers. So let's get started from here to plug in this part. Red goes to red. Yeah, and blue goes to blue. Then you need to solder these to here. I'll show you the procedures of soldering, which wire goes to where. And actually this is 6 cells, so you need to use the 7 port here. This is for 6 cells balance charging. You can also see from here 6 cells, 5 cells, like that. Okay, so I'll show you here. If you put the 6 cells cables here, it will go like that way. So on the right side, sorry, I am making the video with my front face camera, so the image is altered actually. Yeah, that's okay. So the right side will be the negative, minus, and the most left side will be the positive one. Yeah, so these cells have negative terminal here, so -1. Then B1 will be here, is positive and negative, B1. Then B2 will be negative, positive, B2. Then B3 will be other part, negative, positive, B3. Then B4, then B5, then the positive terminal. So let me solder first. The wire right beside the B1 it will B2, B2 will be that side. Then B1, B minus, B1, B2, then B3. B3 will be here. Then next will be B4. B4 again will be that side. Then right beside B4 will be B5. B5 will be here. And last one is B plus on the corner. So every terminals were connected. Now it's good to go. Now I'm unplugging the solder, and then I'm connecting this port. Then the adapter needs to be connected. The wire. Oh, I forgot to mention this. These two wire also needs to, one goes to positive terminal, one goes to negative terminal. Like B minus, this goes to B plus, and this goes to B minus. Okay. So okay, sorry. Minus, and as I showed, this one goes to here in the lower bottom corner, this way. So just I'm resting it here. Sorry, the wire is too short. That's okay. Just need to balance the charge, balance the cells. That's it. Okay. Then this one goes the other way bracket. Okay. Now if you can see, lipo charge, I need to choose 6S. So 6S 22.4 volt lipo balance, 22.2 volt. Yeah, 22.2 volt, because 3.7 times 6 is equal to 22.2 volts. Lipo balance, I will balance the charge like 2 ampere. Yeah, 2 ampere is good, or maybe I will choose a little bit less. I will do a little bit, maybe 1.5. Yeah. Then start. Battery check. It says confirm 6 series, so I will confirm because it is 6 cells lipo. It started the balance charging. If you want to see what each cells goes, so you can put this, press this one, so you can see cell 1 3.7, cell 2 4.09, 3.7, 3.69, 3.7, 3.7. So let's give it some times. When it is balanced, then we'll go back and continue the other task. Okay, so now cells are balanced, so we can see every cells now almost 4.7 to 8. Let's see here. All are like 4.17 to 4.19. So these are good now. Now I have to desolder the connection points. now now we have to program it to reset the battery, the BMS. So we have to remove this this covering. They put some glue, so we have to remove carefully the 5 points to connect to the computer to program. So you need to remove this one with any plastic, or it is good not to use any metal objects or sharp objects. So let's scratch it, open it. I'm using just a card. Be careful not to destroy any of the materials. Okay, now it's time to connect. So what is the rule of connections? So basically I learned a lot from YouTube video, especially the second life. The guy, he showed nicely how to connect these ports and how to program. I am really grateful to him. Yeah, and from his, he showed this diagram what to connect. So I'm gonna show you here. If you can see the diagrammatic schematic connections, so you can see and connect. Up here the peak kit. Yeah, everything is connected. uh, Now I'll show you. I will I will post the link in the descriptions to download the software. So I downloaded already the software here, as you can see. PKit programmer applications. There are a couple of files. You have to unzip it. So go to the setup first. Then you will set up by clicking any of these. Then yeah, that's okay. Then you open the applications. Let me connect first. Then open the applications. And when you first time open the application, they will tell you to install the app. Then you go to the installation. Then it will go directly to that installation file, the hex file. Then you will just install it. That's easy process. You will find it. So make sure you uncheck this one, enable program memory. Uncheck this one. It is very important. Then you read the file. As you can see, it can detect the device name, everything it can detect. So you can see, just one second here, you can see the connections here. So some people like put it little bit, give it a little bit stress to make more connections, but it's okay. If you just put it, it will be connected. As you can see in the monitor, it is connected. I have not stressed it or give it any tensions. So go to the read. Then you need to program these, I can show you the 001010, the second row, second row, and go to the end, just one before the end, that is showing 1E here, but it is showing 9E, but the position is 1E. Okay, so you need to put double zero here, then write the file. Let's see what's my Dyson battery. So let's I'm done now, so let's check with my Dyson vacuum if it really works. So open the earlier battery, then let's put the new battery, and ta-da, it's working, back to its normal life. Thanks for enjoying my video. If you really enjoyed, then please subscribe, and if you have any questions, then please comment in the comment sections. I'll try to help you, or I will try to answer your questions. Thank you.